All right, so we're recording. And in this video, we're going to show you how to put something from Google onto your Repl in a display, in a good-looking way. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to keep adding to my computer science website, and this will also come in handy when we start our Scratch projects. You can embed your Scratch games into your website. Okay, so if you haven't added a Scratch page yet, go ahead and do that today. And it's this, you're just gonna go over here and add a title and call it just Scratch at HTML. Okay, and then we'll add to that a little bit later. What I'm going to do is in my computer science page, I'm going to add our agenda so that anybody that visits this page can see what we've done. Now, let me show you how easy this is. First of all, you always want to hit your share, and you always want to go down here because it defaults you guys, and it defaults me too whenever I create something, to our school corporation. Well, we want to make sure that everybody can see this, okay? Because the only people that would be able to see it are people that go to school in our corporation or work in our corporation, and it's on our website. So we want anyone with this link to view, don't give them editing rights, right? To view and then hit done. All right. The next step is you go up here. This is where it gets even easier. See down here at the very bottom left, it says publish to web. Okay. Then right here, it says embed. Now embed, look at this. There's the code right there for you. If you have a slide deck that you want to start as soon as it loads, and you want it to go every 5 seconds, and then you want it to restart after the slide deck, you could totally do that. Now, in my case, I don't want those. I just want it to open up right to that slide deck. So I'm going to hit. So after I have this up, I'm going to hit publish. I'm going to hit OK. It gives me the code right there. So I'm going to hit Control C to copy. I'm going to go up to here. Let's see. I want it to come. Oh, I want it on my computer science page. I want it to go after where it says this class is computer science. So I'm going to find where it says this class is computer science. I'm going to go after that break. I'm going to hit Control V for paste. And let's refresh the page, see what it looks like. Holy moly! It's humongous. Why is it humongous? Well, here in the code, it has a width and it has a height for you. So you can play with those numbers and you can get it to, whatever you'd like here. So I'm going to change this to like 380, and I'm going to change this to 600. I'm going to hit refresh. There we go. That's a little bit cleaner. A little bit better looking. Doesn't take up my entire eyesight on a giant TV screen. Okay? So, I want to encourage you guys to look through some past assignments, some past presentations that we've done in maybe the first quarter or recently, and you can add to that. And you can add your slide deck to it, and it also makes it, like if you have links on there, it makes it a hyperdoc so people can click on it and things like that. All right, so that is how you do that. Fairly simple. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Oh, take it back. Oh.